Got something. Oh yeah, we got something. Oh yeah, he knows he's hooked now. What's going on, YouTube? We are back out at the falls fishing for hand-sized, pan-sized bluegills. You know what? You know what's up. So I fished over here for bluegills before, and they got some pretty good ones. But I want to see if this year, if they have some bigger ones. Hopefully they do. And maybe we'll try a little bit of sauger fishing. And if you guys could comment down below, tell me how the shoulder mount is looking. You know what I mean? If you guys like it or not. Which one you guys like more, the one on the hat or my chest? I personally like this one more. But enough said. Let's go get some fish. All right, let's get some red worms on here. Well, these guys seem to be a little less lifeless than the other ones. It might be dead, it may have drowned, but we got other baits too though. First cast. Oh, already first cast. And he's a good fighter. Already. Just a little guy, but like I always say, it's a guy. Hope you guys can see that. This place is always changing with the water fluctuation. It is never the same. Oh, right there we go. Oh, what is that? That one's bigger. That one's fighting a lot better. That's a baby drum. Let's let him go. What? I know you're not. Come on, little buddy. Don't turn upside down on me. There you go. Had to revive him. Yep, there you go. Oh! Alright, we're gonna move down a little bit. Oh, there we go. What is that? That's a skip. That's a skipjack. No, it's a mooneye. Hey, you want this for bait? No, the mooneye. Alright. That, you guys, is a mooneye. Woo! We're gonna give it to him for bait. Okay. Yep. Well, you guys, we are officially out of worms, so I'm gonna switch to a bigger jig head and put a plastic on. Hopefully we catch something. Let's try it out. Got him. Got something. Oh yeah, we got something. Oh yeah, he knows he's hooked now. Oh no. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. 4-pound leader, you guys. I can't hold something like that. Oh man, we are in trouble. He's tired now. Here it comes. Four-pound leader. Jeez. Playing with nothing but fire. What do we have? What do we have? He's right here. He's right here. Oh, it's a big drum. It's a big old drum. He's mad. He is mad. Barely hooked too. Barely hooked. Bring him in here. There we go. There we go. Now, how am I gonna get him? This is the hard part. This is as slippery as it gets. It's gonna get real slippery. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Ooh, that's. It's a big old drum. Their mouth is so tough, you guys. That's a big. Oh, well, there went that. Well, I caught that sturgeon right here, a shovel-nosed sturgeon. There you go. But the camera wasn't on, of course, right? He got spikes on his side. It's crazy. Let's see what else we can catch. Look at all these buzzards. They're waiting for a free snack. That guy over there, he's eating ahead to a drum or something. I know there's got to be something right here. I just feel it. There's got to be some type of fish in here. Oh, is that a rock? Oh, that ain't no rock. That ain't no rock. That ain't no rock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That, my friend, is a sauger. That ain't no rock. Yeah. Let's let them go. Let's see if we can get some more. You gotta be careful because these gill plates, they are razor sharp, and then they got these spines on their fin. Woo-hoo. Sometimes I hate holding them. I knew we was gonna catch one at least. See if there's any more in there. You know you guys are here now. At least one more. Oh, right there. Right there. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Oh. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. When you get a hold of them, hold tight, because they will wiggle out. They are a part of the walleye family. And yes, they do have teeth. He's a little guy, but he's a guy. Let him go. Excuse me, would you guys happen to have any 1/4 ounce jig heads? No? Okay. was a good hit. There we go. I knew there had to be one more in there. I knew it. This one's a good one. Is that a white bass? It's a drum. Give me a drum roll. The worst drum roll ever. The little guy. Pretty little guy though. Just let him go. He thumped it. Thumped it, thumped it.